Alrighty guys, we're moving right on into the next panel here, episode 2. We're getting ready to fill this in right here. Getting ready to go over there and start cutting this piece out. Let's rock and roll.
We live in a real world. We got big blocks and big blocks of sections.
Okay guys, I gotta give a quick thanks here. My good buddy Bennett made me this hat, full metal goat hat. Super cool, man. Thank you, buddy, for making that hat. You guys be sure to go check out his business. He's got a super cool Jonesboro Armory. If you like guns, you need to go check him out in downtown Jonesboro, up above the pizza parlor. So be sure to check out Jonesboro Armory. Thank you, man. Alrighty guys, we're about to B-roll the next panel. And man, we are moving along on this firewall, so let's rock and roll. Alright guys, just got it be rolled out. Let's put it in here and see what it's going to look like. Oh yeah. Check that out right there. That's looking nice. Boom.
Bam, bam, here I am.
That's right.
Looking good.
Tack that bad boy in and move on to the next panel. Okay guys, well right now we're doing the same step over and over again, and I just want to remind you guys, we're bending the lip over on the edges to make these panels really strong. You can see right there, and I'm about to show you us beating this lip down again and again and again, and we just keep doing it on every panel, and it's killing my forearm right now, so we're going to keep on hitting it and bending it over until we get it. I've also found if you slide this hammer like this, it'll actually bend it over straight. The problem I was having, if I just pound away like this, it doesn't bend it over even. It'll give it like a warped look. So it takes time. Alrighty guys, we are rocking and rolling on this thing. Check it out. It is looking awesome. We had to make a new template for this center section here. We were kind of just running against some problems with the other template I had, so I just had to kind of redo that template and make sure I got all my lines right. Everything's nice and straight, but we are looking good and it is looking super cool. I'm very happy with how the bead rolls are turning out, and we're just knocking these panels out. All we're doing right now is just kind of getting them tacked in. This one, I'm not going to tack it in just yet, because once we get the motor back in it, we still got to figure out the location for the throttle cable and all that. So we're going to keep the template and we're going to go ahead and make that metal panel just so we can really get that hole dead on, get it right. But we're going to keep on rock and rolling, make this last panel, guys, the last one. Boom. Oh Lord, we've got some cornhole games going on right now. We're cutting sheet metal panels out. This is the last one for this deal. Hannah, she's out here helping us out. Boom, she's a trooper. We're playing with Legos right now. Just had us some KFC, and we're gonna keep on rocking here. We're bead rolling the final panel on the firewall. It's time. Alright guys, right now we're kind of getting the motor just kind of cleaned up as a side thing we got going on. Jesse, he's helping me out, and we're just kind of sanding up the heads real good. We got everything taped off and cleaned up, and the inside of the block is taped off, so you guys don't panic about the intake. But we're just cleaning the heads up, and we're going to paint the block, getting it ready for street car takeover. But some of these detailed things, you kind of got to show what's going on in the background while other things are going. So we're going to start sanding and get these heads all looking nice and good and smooth. Alrighty guys, we're getting this motor cleaned up and looking good. Jesse, he's helping me right now get this thing taped off. And do you think you'd be doing this weekend, Jesse?
No, yeah.
Yeah. He knows how we do. Anyways, right now we're just getting it taped up for paint. You guys can kind of see here how much we've got the heads cleaned up now. And right now we're just trying to finish everything up, about to take the intake off, just tape everything up real good so don't have no bad overspray, and get ready for some paint next weekend. So we're kind of rocking and rolling, and we'll keep you guys up to date on this bad boy. Alrighty guys, it's like a madhouse of GTO parts out here right now. Got our wicked cool Steve Morris brackets sitting right there. Super cool company right there. If you guys need anything pro charger or boosted wise, you need to holler at Steve Morris. Super cool guys. Right now we have got the motor taped up, we've got the heads all cleaned up and looking good, and next weekend we will paint that bad boy, and you guys will get to see it all cleaned up on the next episode. But it's looking good. Jesse's helped me out a bunch. We got everything taped up, we're ready to rock and roll. Well, we're going to jump back on the car now and keep on rocking. Alrighty guys, we're finishing this bad boy up. Next weekend we'll start welding this thing in. You can just kind of see how this bad boy is looking. I'm very happy with this, looking super cool. Me and Jesse's been working really hard on this bad boy on several little projects on it. But you guys be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as Jesse says,
Keep tuned, guys.
Keep tuned, that's
It's
right.
gonna get better from here.
That's right, just keep getting better. We're gonna rock it on out of here and let's cut it.